Congratulations, CA Empire. CA Empire is so amazing.
Excellent, CA Empire.
CA Empire, so great.
This is it, grabe. Complete Alliance Empire, Kailan 9.
CA Empire, amazing.
CA Empire, congratulations! Power!
You know what, guys? I believe everyone in this room has a gift, is good at something in any specific area. Everyone in this room is a master of something.
Each and every one of us right now nag-effort, and you deserve the best clap na pwede natin ibigay sa bawat isa ngayong gabing po. Palakpakan naman natin ang bawat isa.
And I do believe one day, hindi lang ho Pinoy yung mga kasama sa top 20. Because in global, we're touching, okay? We're connecting hindi lang Pinoy, but in different races.
CA Empire is not just a group of individual or people with a common goal, but we are brothers and sisters. We care for each other, lift each other up. We don't drag down. Because I believe when we look out with one another, success will come faster.
And gusto ko, don't just say the word. Don't just say the word. I want you to feel it. I am abundant. I am CA Empire. I am CA Empire! Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your ride. God bless you.
Is now gone. Let's cherish the happy memories. Let's cherish also those painful experiences that we have. Why? Because they will make us better, stronger, and united empire. And I want you to hold your glasses of wine. Together, as we face 2019 as one empire. Sa mga nanonood, sa aming mga kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, ng mga international leaders, alam ko live tayo. Sa Europe, Samoa, Africa, sobrang laki na po ng grupo natin. We will face this year with positivity, enthusiasm, excitement. I know that you know na marami pa tayong challenges na pagdadaanan. Yes, I know that. Pero pagsama-sama tayo, walang bundok na problema ang hindi natin kayang lampasan. Cheers for us, guys! Cheers for 2019! God bless everyone! God bless CM!